Hello everyone, this is the Cool Widgets Microsoft Office Suite Training Project Status Report. I'm the Project Manager, Zed Brown, and the reporting period is April 22nd to April 26, 2019, and the project status is green. The purpose of the project is to train Cool Widgets 500 employees to use Microsoft Office as a single business suite to streamline internal operations. The Microsoft software contains Word, which will help employees write documents with confidence because they will know there is a built-in spelling and grammar check. Excel for creating spreadsheets to keep data organized. PowerPoint is an easy-to-use presentation software. Outlook, where employees will have their email, calendar, and contacts all in one place. OneNote, which is a digital notebook that will let the user keep track of their notes as well as recorded audio and video files across all their devices. And finally, Access, which is an easy-to-use tool for creating business applications from templates and from scratch. As you can see by the Gantt chart, we are in the deliver training phase of the project, which began on April 1st. All 4 trainers are working together in the California office due to the number of employees. At this point, the California office has completed 50% of the training, which is scheduled to end on May 5th. After California is complete, the trainers will split into 2-member teams. Sandra and Aaron will head to Nevada, and Alicia and Paulo will go to Montana. The milestones completed up to this point are training goals set, training venues selected, training equipment reservations confirmed, trainers for New York selected, and travel accommodations have been set. By the next status report, California, Nevada, and Montana will be complete. Tennessee and New York are scheduled to be completed in October. While working in the California office, we learned of issues we needed to avoid. Interrupting the normal flow of business during training hours, and putting too many key staff members in the same training groups. To address these issues, we reduced the training group size from 25 to 15 and also divided the groups into morning and afternoon groups. This is the end of the presentation. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Until next time, have a great day.